Alright, so on our midterm review, we are grading numbers 25 through 33. Make sure whenever you get your grade, or get their grade, you put the grade here. And then right now you need to write your name that you are grading this paper. So we're in the second blank, it should be. Numbers 25 through 33 are what we're grading today. So we're going to go ahead and go to number 8. Number 25. 25. Alright, this one does require work. These are vertical angles, and we know that vertical angles are congruent. So that means that 4x plus 6 equals 30. Subtract 6. 4x equals 24, so x equals 6. That is the answer. 26. Find the values of x and y. Well, the x's are across from each other, and they are vertical. So they are going to equal each other. You'll solve for x by subtracting the smaller x. Subtract 2. 2x equals 16. So x equals 8. That's the first answer. If they got it wrong, it is minus 1. We do the same thing with the y's. 5y plus 68 equals 3y plus 96. Subtract 3y. 2y plus 68 equals 96. Subtract 68. 2y equals 28, so y equals 14. So again, if they got one of them wrong, it's minus 1. If they got both of them wrong, that'd be minus 2. If they skipped, completely, it'll be minus, if they skipped both, it's minus 12. If they skipped one of them, it's minus 6. So that's tough. Hopefully they did not skip. Hopefully they got them right. We'll do number 27. 27. Which statements, if any, are true about the diagram? EB is an angle bisector. Angle bisectors cut an angle in half. Well, AEC is 180 degrees. EB stands tall and has a 90, a right angle right here. 90 is half of 180, so this one is true. It then says E is the midpoint of AC. There is no proof. It would have a tick mark, and it doesn't, so that one is not true. Next one says angle AEB is 90. This is a true statement because 90 plus 90 makes a 180 degree angle. So A and C should be there. It's minus 1 if they got it wrong, and then minus 12 if they skipped it. Move on to the next page. Do the same thing. We're deciding what's true and what's not, so we're circling what's true. Segment JM and segment MG are congruent segments. There is no proof. It would have tick marks. You can't say, well, it looks like it. That's not a thing. Next one is angle FMG and HMG are a linear pair. This one is true. They're adjacent, and they form a straight angle. So it's true. It says MJ, ray MJ, and ray MH are opposite rays. This is not true. Opposite rays go in completely opposite directions. So JM and MG would be, but not MJ and MH. And that's it. B's the only answer. 29, we're going to solve. So you solve by moving the smaller x. I'm going to move Negative 6 is smaller. Add 10. 3x equals 21, so x equals 7. The next equation, you'll distribute. Make sure you distribute the negative. Negative times negative makes positive. Then again, negative times negative makes a positive. Get x by itself. 12x equals negative 48, so x equals negative 4. So if they don't have the work, it counts as skipping. So no work is minus 12 points, because I know how you got that answer, and I'm going to tell you right now, you don't deserve. Never mind. So anyways, it's minus 12, there's no work, or it's skipped, and then it's minus 1 if they just got it wrong. And be a nice person and write in the correct answers. That's very helpful. 31, you're going to distribute on both sides. So negative 8x plus 28 equals negative 5x minus 20. Move the smaller x, which here is the negative 8x. Get x by itself. 48 equals 3x. Divide by 3 and x equals 16. So again, this one requires work. So minus 12 no work, minus 1 if it's just wrong. We got 2 more to go, and it's just over inductive and deductive reasoning. 32, every day after school, your mom gives you a snack. So when you get home from school today, you'll get a snack. This is inductive reasoning. They do need to explain. If not, it is minus 1. It's inductive because it's based off a pattern or observation. Okay, and then number 33. All men are mortal. Mortal means we can die. Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is mortal. This would be deductive because it's based off of facts or definitions. So again, if they don't have the reason, the explain your reasoning is minus 1. If they skipped it, it's minus 12, but that's for the entire assignment. So minus 1 if it's wrong at any point in time in the assignment, and then minus 12 for skipping or not showing work wherever I showed work.